Hello, good day guys. So today I'll be teaching you how to install PingVoice on Claude Code so that Claude Code will be able to speak and notify you if it needs your input, when subagents completes their tasks, and also to summarize tasks that it has done for you. So the first thing that you need is, of course, an account with PingVoice. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to get started. It's pretty straightforward. I do recommend, though, to install the desktop app so that it runs in the background without the browser tab. So if you click on the download link here, it goes to the releases of the PingVoice desktop app. So, we have a Mac OS app available and a Windows app available as well. With Windows, though, it doesn't have a certificate, so you might have to go through some extra steps to install it here. But we do have a guide, though, on Windows installations found in the documentation link here. Just follow that, but just take note that you just have to keep the file and not delete it. Once you've installed it, you'll be able to see it on the taskbar for Windows, and it should auto-start and exit to the taskbar. On Mac OS, it's also pretty straightforward. Just drag open the DMG file and drag and drop the app into the Applications directory. So, anyway, let's move on to installing PingVoice into Claude Code. So, I have the PingVoice app running right here, along with a fresh Ubuntu instance, and I will install PingVoice into Claude Code here. For the installation instructions, you can go to the Claude Code repository of PingVoice. I will put the links down below. Scroll down and you'll see the quick install instructions. It's basically one command line. Just choose which operating system you are running on. For this example, I'll be using the Linux command. I'll copy that and paste it into my terminal here. It will prompt you to install some dependencies, particularly the UV command. Just say yes, and it will install it for you. Then you'll have to enter your API key. Your API key can be found in the PingVoice dashboard. Click on the menu and then click on API keys. Generate one, if you haven't yet, and copy and paste that back into your terminal.
API key validated.
Type in your name for personalized greetings with your name. You can then pick a default voice to use. I will just use the default here. This script essentially installs the PingVoice marketplace and plugin. Once that's done, restart your terminal or run source on your shell profile so that the environment variables will be reflected on your shell.
Hi, Chris. Let's start coding.
As you can see, Claude Code now greets you once you enter a new session. If you want Claude Code to send an audio summary of what it has done, don't forget to change the output style to PingVoice TTS Summary. The first time you start with this output style, it will look for your name in your environment variables. Just say yes and don't ask again, so you won't have to do this every time. It will also ask to use the PingVoice Speak skill. Just go ahead and choose yes and don't ask again as well.
Hey, Chris. I'm all set and ready to help with whatever you need today.
We have now integrated PingVoice with Claude Code. We really hope you have fun with this. There are a lot of other things you can do with PingVoice, like integrating it into your CI/CD pipelines, into your N8N workflows, and anywhere you want to receive voice notifications from. We'll see you around. Bye.